Watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling.
Alright, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, we're here with another video for you guys, and today is box logo season, because you already know what time it is. It's that time to cook. You already know it. We're in the kitchen. We're really whipping it. No, like literally though, we're in the kitchen about to cook up this heat. You already know what the deal is. So today what's going to be happening is it's going to be a box logo dropping. So it's going to be a Murakami and Supreme collab. I've never seen it coming. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I thought that was bullshit at first, but it ended up actually being true. The stock I have heard is 17,000, which is kind of insane, but you know, I honestly don't feel too confident about me copying. Hopefully I do. I actually have my sister right here next to me. We're both gonna try and cop at least one, if not more. I don't think I'm gonna cop more because it's box logo and it's the Supreme website that I'm gonna get clapped either way. I have copped the BOGO before, if you guys do not know, and it was a small navy, and it was the bandana box logo from fall winter 19. So it's not like I haven't done this before, but I'm still just as nervous. So hopefully we can cook. Follow your boy, Nice Mike, subscribe to the content, the comeback kid. You already know. Bump a like if you copped, and yeah, let's get fucking started. All right, so we're ready over here. You already know the deal. I'm already nervous as heck right now. All right, we got a minute. Oh my god, it's gonna be laggy. I'm already, I can just feel it. All right, refresh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Nothing's loading. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh no. I'm trying to go to view all. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna slowly regret this. Oh no. Boss logo's not loading up for me. Oh no. Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, it's already havoc. No one, I can't even load in. Oh no, website's already shit. I can't even see anything. Oh no, I am concerned for all of our safeties right now. Concerned for every living being in my body right now. I don't even see it here. It's already been a minute. Watch it not be in t-shirts. Watch it be somewhere else. Oh no, it's not here. Oh yep, everyone's trying to say that's gonna load in late. Keep trying. Keep trying. Alright, we gotta keep trying, y'all. We gotta keep trying. Supreme, why do you do this? I just want to know, like, why do you actually do this? Like, it's actually making me sick to my stomach. Oh my god, this website's so trash. This website's actually bad. This website's actually horrible. Oh my god. Do you see it? Oh my god. I can't even. This is actually horrible. This is actually horrible. Oh, load it in. I'm gonna go for. Alright, cool. Alright, you gotta be quick, Jazzy. You gotta be quick. Keep pressing it till it's done. Say it. No, I don't care about. process payment isn't working. Uh-oh. Come on. No. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Okay. Oh no, it's doing this glitch. Oh no, don't do this. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Oh, it's doing this glitch. Okay, cool. Oh my god, they're already saying run restocks. Should've gone for the large, damn it. Well, that was fast. That was actually fast. Oh my god. It'll tell you. But it looks like it's not there. So it's gone for now. There's definitely going to be a restock happening. There's definitely going to be a restock happening because that was really fast. That was pretty fast. So there's definitely going to be restocks happening. Bot users are obviously bot users. Usually during BOGO season. Usually during BOGO drop. Everybody's running their bots, but some of them get canceled because of how fast it is. So hopefully that's the case. Okay, so what you guys just witnessed is murder, literally on a website. It was that bad. It was so bad. Everybody on the Discord's really freaking out. So what had happened was I already checked out, got all my information in, but the processing order took way too long. It literally just sold out as soon as I tried to do that. This was such a horrible drop, no lie. Check the monitors as always. Yeah, that was a really unsuccessful run. I'm actually sick on how fast that was, which I kind of expected because it's a box logo. Obviously everyone's gonna try and go for it, but also this whole Corvid shit, everybody's online, so there's no in-store either, so people are all gonna be online running bots literally. So I mean, it is what it is. I like this shirt. It wasn't gonna be personal. A lot of people hit me up saying they wanted one, and I'm like, bro, I don't even know if I can cop one because I only did that once, and that was out of pure luck and just adrenaline. And it's a Friday, so I know people ain't doing shit, so people are gonna be on here all day, so it is what it is. But make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel as always for the comeback kid. Even though he didn't make a comeback, it wasn't a very strong one. Like the video if you ended up copping, and also comment down below what size you copped, how you did it, and how shitty the website is. And follow me on social media. Nice Mike. Nice. 2 E's _ Mike. And I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling strings and making enemies.